Bobby Bands got this shit booming. Marco did it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, RAMBO Leak. Back at you with another one, and as you can see, I'm looking dusty, and I look very messed up. For one, I'm pretty sure I have COVID. So I've been sick for the past 3 days, and honestly, I don't wish this on nobody. Having trouble breathing, can't really sleep, got headaches, throat was always hurting. Yeah, man, it's just a bunch of problems that I don't wish for nobody. But out here where I'm relocated at, it's still ice out here, and it's still snow. And by the looks of it, it ain't really melting like that. I'm scared to walk on it, cause it's supposed to melt already. It's iced over. Oh God. Yes. Come on, bro. Hey, look at this. Hey, this part is like sheer ice. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Rambo won't start either. I don't know what's the deal, but Rambo ain't starting right now. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. Oh yeah, before we get any further, make sure you go below, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Cause I'm trying to get more into it, but as soon as I say I'm about to get more into it, I get sick. So, and honestly, I just don't have the energy to do anything. I'm so far behind in photography work and whatnot. It really don't make no sense. But yeah, like I said earlier in the video, I don't wish this COVID stuff on nobody. This joint ain't no joke. As I can hear by the way I sound. I'm sorry about the light. It's bright out here. But alright, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. I gotta pull this car out. Alright, before I get deeper into this video, I must say this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen on the car. Chevy, what's the point of this? Why would y'all put something electric on top of a battery? Like, what was y'all ingenuity behind this one? Because people like me want to know. People like me want to know. But alright, y'all, I gotta get that to the top. Alright, y'all, so we got some progress. The pump is starting to pump back up. The train horn is starting to pump back up, so we can try it. Hopefully it cranks. Yeah, it should crank. What time is it now? I mean, it's good now. I just gotta crank it up and let it run. I haven't tried it yet. Don't you gotta get to your appointment? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we got a little bit of progress. So I realized what I did wrong, because we tried this yesterday. But I realized what I did wrong. So my battery terminals, they don't got colors on them. So I put the wrong colors. I put the wrong piece of terminals. That's why I was smoking, yeah. Because look, because it's confusing. I'm about to show y'all. All right, if you notice, my wires right here are red. They're red. And my wire right here is black. So naturally, you assume this is the negative, this is the positive. but obviously it's opposite. But yeah, that's my stupid moment of 2022 so far. It's funny because this actually happened to me about a year ago. There's a video on my page about that. When my alternator went out. Now my wife's standing there, oh man. I would show y'all her, but shoot, I'm not trying to show y'all my location because we are at an undisclosed location. So, God darn. I think I got a long way to go. That's how I figured it out last night, because that's how I started working. Yeah, this train horn taking the most of the battery. That's probably what drained it. But that joint was empty. That's why it's taking so long to pump back up. And it keeps going up and down because it's still trying to get voltages. Still picking up voltages from my wife's car. Okay, so now we picked up more. It should be picking up just air now. Right there, it's just trying to cut on. Yeah, it's starting to fill up now. Let's see. See, as I can see, my gauge is in there, but I can't really read it. But yeah, it's starting to fill back up now. What? Alright. The drawstring broke in these pants. Alright, y'all, let's give it a go. Alright, as you can see, RAMBO is back from the dead, but I'm not. It still ain't back to where we wanted it, though. I can hear it. It's still on the cold side, so. Yeah, he's still on the cold side. It's gonna take a minute. Let him run for a while.
Bobby Band's got this shit booming.
Alright. That's how I got my truck back. Alright, y'all. RAMBO's back. Alright, make sure I stay tuned for the four-wheeler content coming soon. My motorcycle, I'm about to get a four-wheeler too, so all that's coming into play. And don't worry about those, because I'm not selling them. I'm keeping them. But yeah, apparently I gotta drop my truck the rest of the day. Make sure y'all keep me and my wife in y'all prayers, because I'm pretty sure both of us have COVID. We both have body aches, I had trouble breathing, stuff like that for the past few days. But yeah, make sure y'all pray for us. She just went to go get tested. I go get tested later on today. I don't know why we couldn't get at the same time, but it is what it is. Alright, but I'm about to end this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because I got more stuff coming. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, all that good stuff. And make sure y'all go subscribe to me and my homeboys podcast channel, 3 Cup Fan Podcast. Cause we are going up on that. We got a lot of good feedback this far. I need to clean that shit. Hey, I'm not gonna clean that shit. Alright, y'all. I'm going. Peace.